A lot hinges on Supermicro's earnings report next week. Supermicro Computer spooked the market by failing to provide preliminary earnings results. While there is no indication of its business falling apart, a collapse in the stock price shouldn't be alarming. AI has a massive runway of growth ahead, and Supermicro Computer will be part of the expansion. Let's dive in. Is the Supermicro stock crash a buying opportunity or a red flag for AI investors? Welcome to Timely Investment Research. After enjoying the biggest gains of any artificial intelligence stock in 2024, Supermicro Computer came crashing down the other day. The AI tech leader lost almost a quarter of its value in just one day. Although shares rallied a little recently, the stock remains 28% below its all-time high, hit last month. Other AI names tumbled too, including NVIDIA and Advanced Micro Devices. Having come so far, so fast, the market is spooked that anything out of the ordinary means it is the beginning of the end. But does Supermicro stock's failure to give preliminary results when announcing its earnings date warrant the dramatic decline? Are investors right to be concerned the AI music is about to stop? A closer look at Supermicro stock. The rapid drop in valuation all across the sector shows the market knows these stocks have gotten well ahead of themselves. They still carry lofty valuations. Supermicro stock trades at 60 times trailing earnings and 25 times next year's estimates. NVIDIA goes for 70x and 27x, respectively. It has been like a game of musical chairs. Investors were willing to play, hoping they would be the ones to get out first before the music stopped. This could be the first sign it's happening. Despite AI stocks all bouncing higher the next trading day as tech sector earnings indicate maybe the bottom isn't dropping out, the market remains wary. A lot will hinge on Supermicro's earnings report, which is scheduled for next Tuesday, April 30th. Advanced Micro Devices will report the same day as will Amazon. NVIDIA won't report until later in May. Supermicro, of course, builds servers, networks, storage solutions, workstations, and more for data centers that are optimized for AI using NVIDIA's chips. Fiscal second quarter sales doubled from last year to $3.7 billion, while profits rose 62% to $296 million. The tech leader has been growing sales at more than 50% for the past few years. There's no reason to think that is coming to an end in the fiscal third quarter. Plenty more where that came from. Investors should look at this opportunistically. Even if Supermicro Computer's earnings disappoint and the stock tumbles, investors shouldn't panic. All else being equal, it would make an excellent time to buy up shares. AI isn't going away. Unlike other supposed game-changing tech advances, such as the metaverse, AI has actual real-world applications businesses can use. It will only get better and represents a huge growth market that will make investors rich. Analysts like to draw straight lines that grow exponentially. AI is no different. It's forecast the technology will expand from a $300 billion industry last year to $1.8 trillion or more by 2030. That's a six-fold expansion in market size. Even if Wall Street is wrong by half, it still means massive growth. Prepare to pounce. The building blocks of that trajectory are being built by the likes of Supermicro Computer and NVIDIA. While their valuations may ebb and flow at various points as the market gets overheated by enthusiasm, much like we recently witnessed, they will move higher over the long haul. That's why investors should be excited by the sharp drop in prices. It wouldn't be wrong for them to want them to drop even more after Supermicro Computer stock's earnings. A decline doesn't mean Supermicro Computer's business is broken. It just provides a better entry point for investors who have the proper long-term perspective. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.